Are you struggling to understand conversations in your target language? This video will improve your listening skills using practice dialogues. How do you know if your language skills are improving? Our team of teachers have designed a free quiz to determine your actual learning level. So click the link in the description to get your free assessment and unlock lessons that are right for you. In this lesson, you'll listen to a dialogue with the text. Second, you'll review the key vocabulary, followed by the English translations. And finally, you'll review the dialogue with the text again to master what you learned. First, listen to the dialogue with the text on the screen.
Lad os skynde os indenfor.
Sikke et regnvejr.
Ja, himlen var blå og skyfri, og solen skinnede for lidt siden.
Det kan hurtigt skifte om vinteren.
Jeg ville ønske, det ikke var så koldt.
Eller at det ville sne i stedet for at regne.
Ja, men ikke for meget. Ellers stopper togene måske med at køre.
Nå ja, det er rigtigt.
Hey, nu hagler det.
Now you will hear the key vocabulary, followed by the English translation.
Regnvejr.
Rainy weather.
At regne.
To rain.
At sne.
To snow.
At hagle.
To hail.
Ellers.
Or else, otherwise.
At skinne.
To shine.
Himmel.
Sky, heaven.
Sol.
Sun.
Skyfri.
Cloudless.
At skifte.
To change, to switch.
Finally, let's review the dialogue again. See if you can understand more this time.
Lad os skynde os indenfor.
Sikke et regnvejr.
Ja, himlen var blå og skyfri, og solen skinnede for lidt siden.
Det kan hurtigt skifte om vinteren.
Jeg ville ønske, det ikke var så koldt.
Eller at det ville sne i stedet for at regne.
Ja, men ikke for meget. Ellers stopper togene måske med at køre.
Nå ja, det er rigtigt.
Hey, nu hagler det.
This is the end of the lesson. In this lesson, you improved your listening and mastered key vocabulary for everyday life conversation. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your free assessment and unlock lessons that are right for your learning level. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.